How to enable dark mode on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Reddit. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, just tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is you can simply scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as dark mode. So there, to enable the dark mode, you can simply toggle on that option, and here, once you do that, the dark mode will be enabled. And that's it. That's how you can enable dark mode on Reddit. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.